can just give someone a drink, you know. Look at that. Woo! To go. See? Pretty cool. Can you unicycle do this? Can you one wheel do this? Can you electric skateboard do this? But see, you can turn. It can turn. See that? Any direction you want. Look at that. So it's this called running on Duncan right there. Ninebot is running on Duncan. See? Ninebot is running on Duncan. Look at that. Running on Duncan. Woo! How far can you go? Alright. How far can you go with the Dunkin' Donuts drink? Look at this, guys. This is look, he can actually come back to me. Oh. All right, there you go. I'm gonna have it like this. Look at this. Look at that. It's coming to me. Look at that, guys. Wow. Running on Duncan. Look at this. All right. Went 50 yards and came back. And look. And he got me a drink. Look at that. I'll actually sit down on it. While you're drinking your drinks. Woo! So I've been riding this for 6 months now, this S Max Pro, or you can just say a Mini Max Pro balance board. But anyway, guys, you guys can go ahead and see here, I'm actually riding in a soft sand without no problem. And I weigh about 195 pounds and I'm about 6'1". And this thing just handled me without no problem. I guess both of this motor is pushing 4,800 watts if I'm in the fast mode. Now, if I put it in a slow mode, it only punch, I would say, 1,000 watts per both sides. So the range on this is very interesting. So if you are riding it right now like a balance board, the maximum speed is 12.4 miles an hour. Now, if you're not just gonna speed and you just wanna go 6.7 miles, you will go to 46 miles. I mean, that's a long range, especially if you're just standing up and riding it around. I mean, it's better than walking if you just want to cruise around in a low speed. So if you do put in a go-kart, like what I have here, the speed is very interesting. You can only go to 23 to 24 miles, but it is actually, the acceleration is fast on this Go-Kart Pro that will get you. And of course, being a low profile, you know, you just being so low in the ground that it just give you that nice smile in your face that you just want to keep riding over and over again. It's definitely a awesome feeling or experience, I would say, riding the Go-Kart Pro. But anyway, guys, so if you have it on the high speed, 15 miles, the range. Now, if you have it in just in low speed, you probably hit about 23 to 24 miles in a low speed. Anyway, guys, you guys can go ahead and see here. You can pull my son in the wagon without no problem. And it's actually, I would say it's good, you know, vehicle, you know, riding it around for the power that you have. Of course, the speed on this is not going to be fast because I think it's safety reason. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.